Hello everyone. So we today we are going to see the question like that. We have the lot of we have an array that has the with has the duplicate element. So our task is to duplicate. So remove the duplicate element. So and finally we want to print the duplicate elements from that removed content. So for that we have been using a hash set. So I wrote the code fully. So the public static void. So I'm going to return type of an as set and find a duplicate function name and then given the input array type. So I created an asset. Why I'm using it doesn't allow the duplicate element to store. Once the element is stored, it doesn't allow the next duplicate element to be stored. So that's why I'm using the asset of integer type called the unique elements and the new asset. So I created a list. So here the list of integer type and it contains the duplicate elements. So this is what so I run a loop from it's a for each loop. So it has the integer element. Int element is traversing an array. So this array. So we have been traversing this array. So um, if the I wrote the condition if not equal to unique elements that add of element. So if the element um, once this element is added, it will true. Once the element is ordered, it's added means it will add the element to its. Once the element is already added means it will turn into the add the element into a duplicate. If it's not means it will exit from it. Uh, at first, if the element is not added, it will be true. Not equal to or true is false, so it will away that. So nothing will happen. If the element is already added means it's give false. False not equals to false is true. So it will add the elements into an this duplicate element of list type. So it will contain the duplicate element. So at finally it will return the I am returning one extracting only the unique element that is of integer data type of a original array. So it will contain the duplicate element. So I'm just running this code. So you will find that duplicate elements in an array. So duplicate elements sorry it's an unique elements. I forgot to change the name. So it's the unique element in an array. So it will contain only the unique elements, so not the duplicate element. So the duplicate elements are stored in the this array. So this list, the unique element is stored in here. So this is what this I am going to show. It is a simple traverser in Java. So this is thank you for listening.